ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணியம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 37, ஸ்லோகா 7. உத்வாஹாவசிதௌ ததீய சஹஜஹ கம்சோத்த சம்மானயன் ஏதௌ சூததயா கதஹ பதிரதே व्योमोत्थया त्वद्गिरा अस्याः त्वामतिदुष्टमष्टमसुतो हन्तेति हन्तेरितः सन्त्रासात् स तु हन्तुमन्तिकगतां तन्वीं कृपाणीमधात्. Word by word meaning. Atha, then. Udvaha vasitau, at the end of the marriage ceremony. Udvaha, marriage ceremony. Avasitau, at the end of. Tadiya sahajaha, her Devaki's brother. Kamsaha, Kamsa. Etau sammanayan, honoring these two, the couple. Sutataya, as the charioteer. Rathe, in the chariot. Gataha, while going. Pathi, on the way. Ati dushtam tvam, you wicked man. Asyaha ashtamasutaha, her 8th son. Hanta, will kill. Iti vyomothaya, thus coming from the sky. Tvadgira, by thy voice. E ritaha, being told. Saha tu, he Kamsa indeed. Santrasat, in great fear. Antikagatam, who was nearby. Tanvim, the beautiful Devaki. Hantum, to kill. Kripanim, the sword. Adhat, took. Hanta, alas. Full meaning. Then, at the end of the marriage ceremony, Devaki's brother Kamsa, in order to honor the couple, became their charioteer. While going in the chariot, he was told by thy voice coming from the sky, her 8th son will kill you, wicked man. Very much frightened, Kamsa drew his sword to kill the beautiful Devaki who was near him. Alas. Om Tat Sat.